You're running from pain. You're running from your own transformation. Comfort is a slow poison, but pain is your forge.
But no one wants the scars. You cry when life hits you and you retreat to your safe zone. But look at this house! It's the storms that made these walls stand the test of time. An easy life. Start building the strength to endure a brutal one. Use your pain.
Let it burn away the weak parts of you until only the iron remains. If it doesn't hurt, it isn't changing you.
Are you breaking or are you forging? Type ion if you're using the day. Follow stock. Stay relentless.